I'm coming from Iran, and in Iran, there's always a talk of leaving the country. Some come back, some don't. But I think overall it's because the insecurity that you always faced, either is because of war or whatever you think, then it's hard to go back. I mean, then you don't belong anywhere. Then you are in between. I mean, you don't get used to anywhere. So that was the immigration for me. The work, Seven Silent Songs, it has 6 separate scenes. So it starts with the horses, that they go one direction, and then it ends with herons that they enter from different direction. So then it creates a perfect circle for me, and I called that circle the number 7, Seven Silent Songs. I do 5 frames per second. So to have a smooth movement, I do 5 frames. I like flickering event thing in my work because I think it makes the work live. So it's just not standing still there. I've represented 2 humans because they're responsible for ruination of nature mostly. And not only nature, they're responsible for destroying each other. Wherever they go, they create chaos and pandemonium and then destroy harmony. And there's another scene that a character carries a veil because maybe we are last generation to see this magnificent creature in their own habitat, in their own natural surroundings. Rhinos in this scene are immigrating to escape the danger that they are facing, and they are looking for a safe place if ever they find it. I mean, the idea maybe is dark, but I wanted to set them in a happy place. So I want them between trees and birds that they are chirping. And at the end, they go and they go and they cross. And then at the end, there's a baby rhino that is running after them. So I think it's just very hopeful that it will continue. I think trees have always been part of my practice, and it's part of our nature. For the National Gallery, I chose Tree of Life. Tree of Life is a symbol that, because of branches that go high up, that connects skies or heavens to the underworld, and the roots are way deep there. And then there's a mention of Tree of Life in an old book, Gilgamesh, that this is a symbol of continuity. And I think for the same creatures that we are hoping that they don't vanish from on Earth, there's a hope. So we have the continuity and connecting us to nature and animals.